On a warm summer morning, sunlight quietly spills across a windowsill. It's a small space, often overlooked, but with just a few pots it can become a tiny garden filled with colour, fragrance and life. You don't need a large garden to grow beautiful plants. Many flowers and herbs thrive happily right beside a bright window. From cheerful geraniums and cascading petunias to fragrant herbs and delicate summer flowers, a simple windowsill can become a peaceful little garden inside your home. In this video we'll explore 10 beautiful plants that grow wonderfully on a sunny windowsill during the summer months. Some bring vibrant flowers that brighten the room. Others offer fragrant leaves that can be used in the kitchen. And all of them are perfect for turning a quiet window into a miniature summer garden. So find a sunny spot, bring a few pots indoors and let summer grow beside your window. Few plants capture the feeling of summer quite like geraniums. Their bright clusters of flowers have decorated cottage gardens and window boxes for generations. But geraniums also grow beautifully indoors on a sunny windowsill. They love warmth, bright light and well-drained soil. Placed near a sunny window, they can bloom continuously through the summer months. Their flowers appear in cheerful shades of red, pink, coral and white, and when their leaves are gently brushed, many varieties release a soft and fragrant fragrance. A geranium by the window brings a timeless touch of summer into your home. Petunias are famous for their vibrant colours and soft velvety flowers. In outdoor gardens they often cascade from baskets and containers. But compact varieties can also thrive in small pots on a sunny windowsill. Petunias love sunlight and the warmth, and given enough light they will produce an almost endless display of blooms. Their flowers appear in shades of purple, pink, white, crimson and deep blue, and some varieties even have delicate stripes or star-shaped patterns. A pot of petunias in a sunny window can brighten an entire room with colour. Begonias bring a different kind of beauty to a windowsill garden. Some varieties are grown for their intricate foliage, while others produce delicate clusters of flowers. Their leaves may be glossy and textured, or patterned with deep green and silvery tones. Begonias enjoy bright indoor spaces and slightly gentler sunlight than some of the other summer plants. This makes them ideal for windows that receive morning sun or filtered light. Their elegant appearance adds depth and interest to a small indoor plant collection, and begonias reward gentle care with long-lasting beauty. Basil is one of the most rewarding herbs to grow on a windowsill. It thrives in warm summer sunlight and grows quickly in small pots. The leaves are soft and fragrant, full of flavour, and fresh basil can transform simple meals, from salads to pasta dishes and homemade sauces. Regular harvesting encourages the plant to grow bushier and produce even more leaves. A basil plant beside a kitchen window brings both beauty and usefulness to your indoor garden, and its gentle scent often reminds people of warm summer evenings. Mediterranean herbs like thyme and oregano are perfectly suited to sunny windowsills. These plants naturally grow in warm, dry climates and enjoy bright light and well-drained soil. Their small leaves release wonderful aromas when brushed or harvested. And both herbs are compact, resilient and easy to grow. A small pot of thyme or oregano can provide fresh herbs for cooking throughout the summer. Their delicate foliage adds a soft texture to the windowsill garden. Together they create a small but fragrant corner of the Mediterranean inside your home. Calibrachoa, often called million bells, is a delightful plant for windowsills. It produces an abundance of small petunia-like flowers. When the plant is in full bloom, it can appear almost completely covered in tiny blossoms, and the flowers come in a wide range of colours: soft yellows, warm oranges, deep purples, bright pinks and creamy whites. It enjoys warm sunlight and regular watering, and its slightly trailing habit makes it perfect for small pots placed near a bright window. When thriving, it creates the feeling of a miniature window box, and a single plant can produce hundreds of flowers throughout the summer. Miniature roses capture all the romance of traditional roses in a much smaller form. Their tiny buds slowly open into beautiful shaped blooms, and placed on a bright windowsill, miniature roses can flower for many weeks during the summer. Their presence instantly brings a sense of classic garden charm indoors, and the flowers may appear in shades of red, pink, yellow, white or soft peach. With regular watering and plenty of light, they can thrive happily in containers. A miniature rose plant by the window feels like a tiny rose garden inside your home. Nasturtiums are cheerful plants that grow quickly and easily from seed. Their round leaves and vivid flowers bring a burst of colour to any windowsill. Their blooms appear in bright shades of orange, yellow and deep red, and they enjoy sunny conditions and will grow happily in small pots. One of their most delightful qualities is that both the flowers and leaves are edible. They have a gentle peppery flavour that works beautifully in salads. With their lively colours and simple nature, nasturtiums are among the most joyful plants you can grow indoors. Sweet Alyssum is a delicate plant with clouds of tiny flowers. At first glance, the blooms appear like a soft mist of white or purple, but this plant has another wonderful quality: its fragrance. Sweet Alyssum produces a gentle honey-like scent that can fill a room on a sunny day. It grows easily in small pots and enjoys bright sunlight. Placed on a windowsill, it forms a cushion of tiny blossoms that brighten the space. Simple graceful and fragrant, sweet Alyssum is a charming addition to any indoor garden. Even the smallest gardens can bring the greatest sense of peace. A few flowers in the sunlight, the scent of herbs in warm air, the quiet joy of watching something grow. A windowsill garden may be small, but it can transform a room with colour, fragrance and life. From cheerful geraniums to fragrant basil and thyme, to clouds of tiny Alyssum flowers. Each plant brings a little piece of summer indoors. So if you have a sunny window in your home, you already have the perfect place to begin. Because sometimes the smallest gardens are the most magical. And if you enjoy peaceful garden moments like these, you're always welcome here in the garden.